This is the Gerber Mini Edge compact utility knife, model number 31-000670. It is a small version of Gerber's Edge line of utility knives. It uses a very small utility blade and actually comes with 3 spare blades in the knife package. The knife is held in place by a spring-loaded lockback, and it's opened with the nail nick integrated into the blade. A lanyard is included, so that way you can attach it to your keychain. A very inexpensive way to have a very sharp knife in your possession without taking up very much space at all. This is the Gerber Mini Edge, model number 31-000670.